Automotive and Services, and the award goes to Serviceforce, India's pioneer multi-brand two-wheeler service network, leading the automobile industry forward with innovation and creativity. Our legacy is to affect as many people as possible in the most genuine and impactful way. Serviceforce. Receiving their award in the category of Franchisor of the Year, Automotive and Services. Congratulations, Team Serviceforce, and thank you. Receiving their award in the category of Franchisor of the Year, Automotive and Services.